back to my day 2 of my Malaysia escapade with my sister. This is actually in the Kuala Lumpur Tower. So we are right now at the sky deck. So we are just queuing for the skybox because they have a number. So like one by one people go there to take pictures. Sky deck of the Kuala Lumpur Tower. Observation deck. So we are on the exit area. Some souvenir shops. So we are now at the observation deck of the Kuala Lumpur Tower. It's just like below the sky deck. We have like a telescope or whatever it's called, like to zoom in below the building. And some souvenir shops also. My sister's buying hot chocolate. So we went around the observation deck of the Kuala Lumpur Tower and it's just like a little circle. Yeah. Hi guys, so we are at Tian Ho Temple now. It's one of the famous temples here in Malaysia. Okay, let's go. Coming to pray. We're just coming here to like see it. The wind is very refreshing. We're coming up. Driver is there already. So right now we are at Berjaya Times Square. We're located in the food court and we'll have our lunch. And this is from this area is where we're gonna ride the bus going back to Singapore. So our food is here. So this is our food. The spicy chicken wing bento, and my sister has like the dory fish bento. And the ramen with soup on the side. Okay, let's eat guys. So we are still at Berjaya Times Square right now, and then we went to their grocery store. It's called our money, and we were able to buy 1 liter of water and like 1 chupa chups. So that is it. We don't have any ringgit, Malaysian ringgit anymore. So we'll just wait for the bus and then go now to Singapore. Because like we're drained, like zero balance. We don't have 10 cents left. 10 cents. While waiting for the bus to come. Right now, so we are already back here in Singapore and we've collected our luggages. So it's currently 2 in the morning and we're just gonna book Grab and we'll go to the airport. Hey guys, we are at the airport now, in the public area yet because we can't check in as it's still early. It's 3:45 in the morning, so we're just gonna eat from here. It's called Cheeky what? Called Cheeky Kai, and we ordered like soup and stuff. We'll just eat here and then like find a place to rest and then check in the morning. So yeah.